Hi guys, I'm Kylie from EasyEquities, and if you'd like to know a little bit more about EasyFX and how that works, I'm going to give you the top snippets from our recent Facebook Live chat on EasyFX. EasyFX is essentially a way for you to transfer your rands into dollars within the EasyEquities platform, and this is so that you can go and invest in some US stocks. Some of the benefits of investing in US stocks include being able to access brands like Facebook or Google, Amazon, McDonald's, Nike. Some of those really big US brands are now available for you to invest in with any amount that you've got available. In this video, which features myself and Jess Maluleka from our client engagement team, we'll talk about how to get funds from your ZAR account into your USD account, how to withdraw them, and how to use them once they're there. So here it is, top tips on how to use EasyFX. If you had to go onto our website and look at the left-hand menu button, and you have to select that, there's a subheading there that says Inter-Account Transfers and EasyFX. That's where you would actually find the feature within the EasyEquities platform.
So EasyFX is only applicable to South African citizens, those that do have a ZAR account, and you need to have an active SA bank account where you do receive your funds. Yeah, that's who.
And you need to be over 18, right?
Yes.
Correct. So over 18 South African citizens who have a bank account, this is a feature for you to use if you want to turn your rands into dollars. In terms of costs, this is how it would work. You would pay 15% VAT on the value of your investment. In addition to that, you would pay 0.2% in terms of a fee, up until that 0.2% on the value of your investment starts equaling $4. Once that 0.2% fee is equal to $4, so basically the amount that you've invested, the higher that is, and when it reaches that $4 threshold, then that $4 becomes a flat fee thereafter. So you can see how different values in terms of what you're transferring using EasyFX would start to make a little bit more sense in terms of maximizing on the fees. And so that's really essentially the costs that you need to consider, the 15% VAT, as well as a 0.2% transfer fee, or alternatively, when that reaches a $4 amount, that would be a flat fee moving onwards. So you actually have a 2-day window period from the time that you've said that you want to do the transfer to decide if that window is right for you, if the exchange rate at the time is one that's agreeable for you. And if it is, you just let that transfer go through. But if it's not, you have that time to cancel it in that 2-day window and wait for a better rate.
So all in all, the EasyFX functionality, after you've transferred your rands to US dollars, it can take between 2 to 5 days to reflect in your USD trading account. The first 2 days is the transfer of rands to your dollar account, the administration that you do in the back end. And then the other 2 days is the exchange. So this is your literal dollars going into your EasyEquities account. And as soon as your funds are in there, you can invest.
1, log into your EasyEquities account. The second thing you do, navigate to EasyFX. Where can people find that?
Go to menu on your account, top left-hand corner, select menu, then select inter-account transfer.
Inter-account transfers in EasyFX. Once you're there, you're going to plug in the amount that you want to transfer. Obviously, you need to have those funds available in your ZAR account. So you plug in the amount that you want to transfer, you have a look at the cost breakdown, and you select transfer. Then what happens? 2-day window.
Yeah.
2-day window. So you've got a 2-day window to either cancel your transaction or to let it go through. Once that 2-day window has passed, it'll take maybe approximately 2 days for that money to appear in your account. And then you are away, and you can start investing in US stocks as you want, or ETFs.
So after you've sold your shares, you have to wait for a period of 5 days for your funds to settle into your USD account. From there, it's literally the same as with your ZAR account. You would select menu in the top left-hand corner, then select withdrawals. Please make sure that you have to tick the confirmation of banking details box in order for the withdrawal to process. Enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw. We do give an indication of the amount of money that you can withdraw, so your settled versus your unsettled funds. So enter that amount and then just select withdraw. You will get a notification thereafter saying that your withdrawal has been processed. For USD withdrawals, it can take between 2 to 5 days for the funds to get into your bank account. We know that there are some clients who've experienced a bit of issues with our USD withdrawals, but that's just normal procedure. Some banks want to do a second verification just to find out if you really do receive dollars or if you really did make the withdrawal from your USD account. And we're able to help all our clients with the process of your USD withdrawal.
And we have experienced that there's some delays, specifically with Capitec bank account holders, with amounts that are over $100. There seems to be some clients that are having to do a little bit of extra paperwork. That has to do with Capitec's internal processes, but there is a way that we can assist in making that process happen and to make sure that that goes through. So you are perfectly capable of withdrawing your funds. It's just quite specific to the bank that you're with, and they may have more of a tedious process, a longer process, a more in-depth process, and obviously they're also looking at it on a case-by-case basis. But we have a team of people that is happy to help and support in any way we can, and try and make sure that that process is done as quickly and as easy as possible for you guys. And if there's something that you think that you want more information on, I'm going to blast our Facebook page with a couple of FAQs and blogs on the stuff that you guys have asked to really empower yourself. Jess is also here. She's available to chat. You can contact helpme@easyequities.co.za if there's something specific on your account that you need assistance with, and our team will jump right on that. Thank you so much for listening. You've been awesome. Bye.